Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to create navigation drawer. So let's begin. So first of all, you create a new project, and after that right click on your package level, simply create a new package within our main package. So I'm creating this previously, so that's why I'm going to tell you. So simply naming this package fragments, so it will create a fragment package, and within our package we are creating 4 fragment. So this is our first fragment, second fragment, third fragment, fourth fragment. Okay, so these are its layout part. So fragment first XML, fragment second XML, fragment fourth XML, fragment third XML. Okay, so simple. It is not so typical, and after that go in our resource, simply right click on it, just create enter resource directory. So we need menu resource directory and navigation resource directory. So both are created successfully, and after that go in our navigation, simply right click on it, create a new navigation resource file, and I am going to give this name navigation. And now I'm going to create a navigation graph. So fragment first, fragment second, fragment third, fragment fourth, and just connect these fragments. So I'm just make it smaller. So from first fragment to second fragment, from first fragment to third fragment, from first fragment to fourth fragment, and from fourth fragment to first fragment, from third fragment to first fragment, from second fragment to first fragment. Fine. And after that create a menu. So new menu resource file and give this name menu. Go in our design part and simply drag this group, and within our group just drag and drop 4 menu item because we have 4 fragments. So after that split it, go here, give a name. So first frag and give ID. So ID, make sure this ID is exactly same in our navigation ID. So this is fragment first 2. So simply copy this, go in our menu, paste here second fragment. So second fragment, just give ID, and ID is just copy from there, second frag 2, copy this, paste over here, and this is our for third fragment. So third fragment, and our ID is exactly same as our navigation graph. So this is our third fragment. So simply third fragment 2, paste over here. So this is our fourth. So fourth fragment, and our ID is fourth fragment 2, I think. Yes, exactly. So fourth fragment 2, copy here, paste here. Now Control Alt L to reformat all the code. So fine, we have a menu and we have a navigation. Fine. So now go in our layout part. In our activity main, I am going to create a fragment. So fragment, and this is match parent, and its ID is frag container. So container, don't bother if I make any spelling mistake. Name Android X dot navigation dot fragment dot navhost fragment, I think. Yes, exactly. And default navhost, so default navhost, so it is true actually. And our navigation graph, so nav graph. So in our case our navigation graph is exist in our navigation resource directory, and its naming is navigation. Fine. And just after this we have to create navigation view. Yes, navigation view, and its width is, make sure it's wrap content, and height is match parent because it will match this height. Okay, so after that give id to it. So id is navigation underscore view. Yes, and yes, we have to attach menu. So menu exactly same over here, and make sure give gravity. So I'm going to give gravity because you can see here it's attached on our fragment, so we don't want this thing like this. So layout underscore gravity, which is equals to start. Yes, it will adhere in our start, and make sure your root layout is drawer layout, not constraint purity linear layout and many more. So make sure your root is drawer layout, and I will give this id main root. So find Control Alt to reformat all the code. Now we are going in our main activity part. So here we have to take reference of our all these three things. So first is our drawer, second is our fragment. This fragment is actually take reference in our nav controller, and for this we have to create a navigation view type object. So that's why, so in our main activity private latent drawer we have drawer layout. So drawr drawer layout. Yes, so private latent var nav controller, and private latent var we have navigation view. So navigation view. Yes, so now time to initialize these three things. So for our drawer layout, we use find view by id and r.id dot main root. So for our nav controller, so nav controller we use find nav controller. So find nav controller by id, find nav controller actually, and within these braces I am going to pass our fragment id. So it is frag container, I think. Yes, and for our navigation view simply I use find view by id. So find view by id r.id dot navigation view. Okay, so now we will create a private latent var app bar configuration. Yes, this one. And now it's time to initialize our app bar configuration. So app bar configuration, and here we will simply pass our nav graph, which is given by our nav controller. So nav controller dot graph, and second is our drawer layout. So drawer layout. Yes, and finally set up with action. Okay, so I think I make some mistake. Yes, set up action bar with nav controller, and within this you can see here nav controller and drawer layout. So simply pass nav controller and our drawer layout. So that's fine. And now we will actually override some method naming on navigate up, no, not navigate up. Yes, on support navigate up, this one. And just before returning this thing, we will initialize our nav controller. So find nav controller r.id dot frag container, and here nav controller dot navigate up to. So nav controller dot navigate up, and pass our app bar configuration. Yes, we have to, I think we have to press alt enter. Yes, everything is fine. So I think we have done everything. So now I am going to run our application. If anything goes wrong, it will not work. So just run this application. So fine, our application will run successfully. I think it will work perfectly. So when I click this hamburger, you can see here we get navigation drawer, and just click on the second fragment. Okay, so you can see it will not working. So just wait, I can check it. I can check this. Yes, I missed this thing. So navigation view dot setup with nav controller, yes, and pass our nav controller. Okay, so this will actually make our click actually work. So what will happen if this thing is not here? So when we click on this first fragment, second fragment, it will not work. So that's why. Fine, now it is running. When we press this hamburger, it will appear here on second fragment. Yes, you can see here. So now it is working perfectly. You can see when we press fragment second, it will land on this second fragment and with this good animation. So when we press back, we will actually in our first fragment, and when we press third fragment, we go in our third fragment. When we press back, we are in a first fragment. So that's all for this video. I think you may like this video. So that's all for this video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends, and thank you for watching this.